Not all bags are created equal. There are plastic bags, and then there are A0 bags. They are not plastic, and they are more than just bags. Each A0 bag is an artistic vision of conservation. Artists from all over the world are contributing to this project, and we are sharing their work with you. Our campaign is about art helping the environment. Plastic-free living is possible and convenient. A0 bags are made from vegetable starch and eliminate any need for plastic bags altogether. That means zero plastic in landfills, rivers, and oceans. That's right, zero, zip, zilch, nada. We've partnered with a team of biochemists using the best available technology to create our products. As a result, A0 bags disintegrate into pure organics once disposed and are absolutely safe for the environment. What's more important, the unique artwork on A0 bags is designed to stand out and raise awareness. Please support our campaign. Be the first to use A0 bags and lead by example. Become a part of our I Stand With Nature movement and inspire others.
Wow!
Together, we can make a difference, one organic bag at a time. We need your help to deliver a simple but powerful message that governments and corporations can't ignore. I stand with nature.
I stand with nature.
I stand
With nature.
I stand with nature.
What about you?